After talking to so many people and students inside my courses, I just realized there is one big problem that is holding so many people back from starting to learn piano. They are all following so many tutorials, but still they don't have the success they want on the piano, and for sure they don't have any fun playing the piano because it just feels like homework instead of fun. But it doesn't need to be that way, because there are a few simple things you can follow to start having fun again. The first thing is stop overcomplicating everything and just start following your gut. When you just come to the piano and you just start with some notes that sound beautiful, let's just find any random two black notes or two white notes, it doesn't even matter, that fit well. Like, it doesn't even matter, white or black. Maybe this one and this one. And just alternate a little bit between. I want to just show you the real process of learning songs. This is exactly the same thing I did for a few months or even like a year, and it's always great. And it builds that creativity. So let's just press any note on the piano. It doesn't sound good, right? Let's just... This one sounds good, right? Just follow your gut. Don't just follow the tutorials all the time. Just keep it simple. Look, I'm just pressing two notes all the time. Let's just find another one. Also sounds good, kinda. I don't know, let's put another random note. And this is not planned, by the way, but you just see I'm pressing random notes. No, this was not the right one. I think it was this one. And then I went to this one. You see this? And this is how you can go about the piano. Just start having fun again. Just do the simple stuff. Because the right hand, you can literally just play two notes all the time. And just find your way with one finger. Like really, go back to the fundamentals. Just use one finger, make it really simple, and just use your ear. And just think about what does sound good. Because we all love to hear music. So you have this ability to hear if something is really off or something sounds good. So just try it out. And then look at this. What I'm doing with the left hand, I'm just adding the same note twice. Like, this is the same note as this one. I'm just trying to alternate a little bit. Like really simple, but you can just stay with one finger. You see this? I just added one finger. And let's say you just choose another one. You hear that? It's not beautiful. So just take the next one. Oh, this sounds beautiful again. Let's take the next one, which is this one. You see this? I know I do this a little bit fast now, but you can go really slow. And just take the next one. No, it doesn't sound good. Let's take this one. Also beautiful. Now we have like, I think this one sounded good. This one sounded good. And then these two black notes sounded good because this wasn't beautiful and this also not. Like you don't even have to switch that around, but just see that it is really beautiful just starting with two notes. And just find your way. Can you see this? Like really beautiful and not complicated because we just did like a few notes, but it still sounds amazing. And the second thing I want to tell you is just try to learn a new song every single day. And with that, I don't mean like you need to make everything perfect. You don't need to learn a whole new song. Like even if it's just like a 5-second part of a song, that's also great. Just take 10 minutes and try to come up, or just try to come as far as you can, and you will see that you will improve after like 7, 8, 9, 10 days, 20, 30 days. Like you stack up all the different skills you learned of all the different sections of different songs. This is what will get you playing piano. So when you get to the piano and you're just like playing the first section of A River Flows in You, for example, and maybe after 10 minutes, like this is everything you can play, it's still fine. Also, maybe you're like playing like this. That's also really nice. Like just after 10 minutes, if you want to keep practicing, you can do this, of course. But the next day, just force yourself to learn a new song. For example, I don't know, let's just make something up. Maybe you just play anything random again, like... Okay, this reminds me of... Okay, this was random. Like, maybe it's this song, like... Like, let's say the 10 minutes are over now, and you don't want to keep practicing because maybe you need to go to the gym or like you have a life outside the piano, of course. You can just continue with practicing the song, but if you need to go, like just stop there. And the next day, maybe just take 1, 2, 3 seconds to play it again, what you played yesterday, but really have the focus on learning a new song. It is really important because when I started doing this, this was the moment where I actually started to learn piano. And the third thing I want to tell you is you need to stop playing just one song. When you finally learn a song, maybe play it a few times, but then just transition to the next song or the next section. Don't always just play the same thing over and over again. Because with River Flows in You, like I learned the first section, like, this was the section I could really play so beautifully. And then I just wanted to play this section right here. And I played it like this. Like I always messed up this part. And then I was like, oh, this section is so hard. Like, okay, I'm just gonna repeat all again from the start. Like, because this was the fun part. I just always wasted time doing this stuff again. Like this is the wrong way to learn piano. Like, I'm just playing the same thing I can already play. You need to focus on the things you can't play. So then I started to shifting from doing the first section over and over again to just cut that completely out and go with just the section I can't play. And took it really slowly. Like, I did this a few times, and then all of a sudden, I wasn't repeating the first section anymore. I had my full focus, like 100% of my focus was just in this next section. And all of a sudden, I was playing the song, like, after just, let's say, 2 or 3 days, I was playing it like this. And then, when you got this, you can play it with the beginning again. You know already. So if you do this and just cut out all the things you already learned and really only focus on the challenging things, you will stack up all the knowledge and all the learnings you did, and you will get better really, really quickly. And it doesn't take you years or even months. Like, just do this for a few weeks and you will see that there are a lot of improvements already. So I hope this was helpful. Check the links down below if you want to get help learning piano, and I will see you in the next one.